Welcome to a brand new episode of Auto Life. My name is Devika.
And my name is Ali.
And today our show is going to be about the GPS system. Now Ali thinks that the GPS system is going to get him where he wants, the fastest and the easiest of ways.
And Devika thinks that by asking people she's going to get to her destination the quickest.
Well, we're here to test it out. Today we are going to go on unknown destinations and I am going to go in my car relying only on the people I ask for directions on the way.
And I'm going to rely on my GPS system. So let's see what happens.
So we're off to Cream Center and it's a restaurant at Marine Lines, and my landmark for it will be Wilson's College. I think Ali is going to use the C-Link just like us. We're going via the C-Link and let's see what happens.
So we are off to Cream Center. That is a restaurant at, I guess, Marine Drive or Marine Lines, I have no idea. And our nearest landmark is Wilson College. So I've entered on my GPS system Cream Center restaurant. It has got me a route that's via C-Link. So let's see what happens. Now I'm on the C-Link and that's where this GPS system is taking me. So let's see.
Now we're looking to ask someone for directions. We are Wilson's College. सीधा
अपना गांव देखिए.
अच्छा
सीधा जाओ सीधा.
ठीक है. Now we've been asked to go straight, so let's see.
Now I'm off the C-Link and some kind of update just popped up on my system. So now it's asking me to take a U-turn near a roundabout here.
200 meters. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Quite a sexy voice, right?
Now I think Ali should be behind us or in front of us. I don't hope he's in front of us, but I guess he would be going roundabout with his GPS.
I've just passed Atria Mall, so my GPS system is telling me after around 3.1 kilometers I have to take a left. I'm not very sure about this.
I've been going straight from the signal and we've crossed Atria Mall, that's at Worli, and right now there's a lot of construction going on. We've passed Haji Ali and I think there's going to be some traffic coming on our way. I don't know if Ali's GPS has helped him through a non-trafficked area, but then again it's Bombay, so we don't know if that kind of luck is going to be there.
So I'm near the Ambani building and I hope my GPS system is taking me on the right route, and wonder how Devika is doing. Probably I think she's lost. I hope so she's lost. I wish she's lost. I'm sure she's lost.
Ask directions because there is going to be a ride ahead. And I really don't know where I am right now. Let's hope we get to the right place and let's hope I'm not taking a detour.
The system brought me to a place where I actually lost my crew car. Okay.
हाँ?
Wilson College.
विल्सन कॉलेज चौपाटी.
कैसे कहाँ से जाना
सीधा
है?
एकदम स्ट्रेट जाओ.
सीधा सीधा.
Turn right.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn left.
Okay, my GPS system has brought me to a place where there is no left turn.
In the left that we were supposed to. And as you can see, there is the beautiful sea on my right. It's called the Chowpatty. And yeah, it's pretty amazing. The sun is shining really brightly. And the summers are back, of course.
It meant the left from here. Okay, people, it brought me to the same place where it asked me to take the left in the first place. Yeah, it's not very smart after all. and it has apparently just switched off, so I have no idea where it is. I'm just going on my instincts. Okay, my system is back online and it is asking me to go straight. Okay, I think I've reached Wilson College. Yeah, I have. So I am, I think, around 281 meters away from my destination. As soon as I pass this signal, I should be seeing Cream Center, and yes, I have reached my destination.
Right.
Yes, and I have reached Cream Center, and I'm not sure if I am ahead of
You
Devika.
have reached your destination.
But the thing is, this is a highway, so I can't stop over here. So I'm going ahead, and I'll wait for a call.
As you can see, we reached the Wilson College and we are going to go straight ahead from here and ask for further directions. Okay, we have already seen Cream Center. We have spotted it. Right now it was just one signal away from Wilson's College, and I can't see Ali right now. Maybe he's ahead if he's come. Let's see. Hello? Where are you?
I reached like 10 minutes
Oh, you
back.
did?
Yeah, because you know, you had to keep stopping and asking people for directions, and I already had my route in front of me.
Oh, well, I thought I was pleased. Wait.
You lost. That's bad. Anyways, better luck next time.
Damn.
So it's decided that GPS systems can actually work in the city. Thank you for watching my show. My email ID is info@autolive.co.in. Please email us if you have any automotive queries. And also you can log on to our website www.autolive.co.in for latest updates. Bye for now. Drive safe.